like them. Jamming on the beat. It sucks me out of doing like them.
Hi guys. Hey, if you're new here, I'm Deb. Welcome. Glad to have you. And guys, yes, I'm here with Allure for March 2024. And yes, it's open because I recorded it once and now I can't find it. So I have to record it again. So I put everything back in here. I think I got everything back in here. And we're going to start over. Now, if you're not familiar with Allure, I believe it's $25 a month, but you can get your first month for $20, and then it's $25 a month after that. And with that, you get I believe it's 3 full-size items and I believe it's 3 to 4 sample size, I think. I'll leave it on the screen, you know I always do. And I do have the links for these items down below, but I will put the prices on the screen, and the prices are down below also, because I know I speak with a lisp, and sometimes I'm hard to understand. And when you open it up, this is what it looks like. Well, this is what it did look like. And so, and see, let's do this again. Okay, and in this little book, it tells you about the products and the value. Like I said, I'll have all that down below too. I need to put you on hold for a second because I did realize there was one more thing in here that I don't have. Okay, I'm back. Okay, yeah, I just happened to look at that book and said, well, there's something missing, and I know where it's at. But I had everything put away. I had, so I had to go through the house and try to remember what was on here because I didn't have the video to show me. So anyway, we're going to try this again. Let me see if I can. We're going to try this again. Anyway, this is the front, and it goes through. And I will go through these. Anyway, the first thing I'm pulling out is a celery and hyaluronic acid press sheet mask. I believe this was valued at $3.99, but I'm going to double check. $2.99. $3.99. I was right. $3.99. And you can get this on Amazon, and I do have a link to it below. What's the celery supposed to do? Maybe it'll tell me here. Maybe it'll tell me in here, because I know they do talk about them in here. This sheet mask locks in moisture. It's hydrating hyaluronic acid to make you look dewy as if you just gotten a facial. Okay. So, I like a sheet mask, but after I dermabrase, I have to use collagen. So, then the next thing I'm pulling out. Now, this did come in a box, but in true Deb fashion, there's that. In true Deb fashion, she tossed it. And this is a highlighter, and this is a color. You can see that. It's pretty. It's very pretty, and it's by $19.99, and it was highlight stick in Miele, and it's creamy golden highlighter. Inside this stick gives you a shimmering, sunny glow. And that is valued at $34. kept throwing me because it's $19.99, and I kept thinking, I know this is more expensive than $19.99. No, it's $34. So there's that. I don't know if I showed you the stick up foot. And I showed you my hand, but I'm not sure if I showed you this. And it's one of these that rolls up. So it's pretty. Yeah, it's very pretty. And it kind of has a locking mechanism on the, I think it does. Because I have trouble unless I squeeze it to open it. So I think it might, I'm so sorry. I think it might have some kind of locking mechanism on the lid. Okay, then the next thing I'm pulling out is Sulwhaboo. And this is First Care Activating Serum. And let's read about this for the 15th time that I didn't, Sulwhaboo First Care Activating Serum 4. Well, I guess it's not First Care if it's 4. Anyway, Sulwhaboo First Care Activating Serum is so popular that one sells every 10 seconds. Now the K-Beauty brand has updated its beloved prep step by adding antioxidant ginseng for a pampering serum. It's chock full of hydrating and brightening ingredients. And let's see what, and it's one of these little pumpy things. I'm doing it on the back of my hand. Ooh. And that's what that looks like. Actually, feels very watery. I'm just trying to see how long it takes to mix in, but now, if you ever see me in the street, I'm going to hold my hand. Make sure you do it with my left one, because it seems like that's what I try everything on. Okay. Oops, I forgot to put the lid on that. Threw it back in the box, but I didn't put the lid on it. Now I lost my book. Tell me all the prices. Oh, it's right here in front of my face. I didn't really lose it. I just misplaced it. Okay, let me see how much this is. And this is $89. $89. Oops, it's here. $89. Okay, then the next thing is Nature Lab Tokyo Clean Scalp Rinse. And it says, this is just a deluxe sample, but the full price is $19, and it's for 6.7 ounces. And this is part scalp treatment, part shampoo, and completely easy to use. This rice and sake water. Rinse so deep clean for your scalp. It helps you wash away product buildup and hydrates while it's added. I didn't realize you could use it as a shampoo too. Well, I really smell nothing. Yeah, I really smell nothing. So, just so you know, I don't smell anything. Doesn't mean it's not in there. I still have a COVID cough, so I'm sure that my scent is not up to par yet either. And then, this is Strip. And it's whipped coconut makeup remover. Now, I did use this the other night. When I took it out, I did use it, and I did like it. Did not break my face out like so many of them do. Mine was sitting sideways in my thing for a long time, so. But anyway, it's this consistency, and it's very, you know, obviously whipped. It's not just stuck in there. And you just put it on, and then I took a makeup remover, you know, one of the erasers, and wiped it off, and then I washed. So, but this is but I did like it, and it didn't break my face out. And usually, a lot of them will break my face out immediately, and there must not be any witch hazel in it because I didn't have any issues with that either. It's vitamin E, fatty acids, ginseng root, and white tea extract. But it must not have any witch hazel in it because I'm allergic to witch hazel, and I had no problems. I probably should have checked it before I actually used it. And that is a full size, and it's $28. And I have all the links in case you just want to buy that particular product. I have all the links. So, then this is, they called this a bonus, but when I was figuring up the total amount for the box, I did count this, and it's Libre by YSL. And I do like the smell of this. And I don't have it in there. I have it in there on my dresser. Because I just throw them in there on my dresser and then I wear them. But this is YSL Beauty. And it says why you love it. It's a floral perfume. Isn't exactly a quaint walk through the roses. Is warm musk, vanilla. Notes make the star flower, lavender oil, and is more sultry. So there's that. And then we got this. This is Beauty Bakerie Cotton Candy Champagne Blushlighter Palette. And that's what it looks like. I don't know if I can get that reflection off. But this is what it looks like. There you go. And inside, these are the colors, and there is no mirror, which usually you're doing it in front of a mirror anyway. But I would use this one as my blush, and then I would use this one as a highlight, and then I'd use this one as a bronzer, maybe a highlight, who knows. It's me. And then there's that one. That's all 4 colors. So I was happy to get this. Here's my little protective thing. So I was happy to get this, and this is full size. And it is valued at $38. And guys, for the price, I really do like Allure. They give you a lot of things that are totally different than a lot of other places. And, you know, last month we got YSL lipstick. We're getting this, you know. They do a really good job of making it something different every time. So anyway, if you like what you see, come on back. We could sure use the company. Like, subscribe, do all the YouTubey stuff. Bye.